Hey lovely people, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are making wheat flour abelewalls. This abelewalls turn out so nice and delicious. Let's get started. Into a bowl, I will go in with 3 tablespoons of wheat flour, add some water and mix them together. So guys, this video is inspired by exhibiting mommy recipes. She did abelewalls using wheat flour and I decided to give this a try. She has so many recipes on her channel, so please go check her out. After mixing, I transferred this on the fire and I'll keep on stirring to avoid any lumps. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hello, my name is Gertrude. You are welcome to the channel. Please subscribe and be part of this wonderful family. Alright guys, so at this point our wheat porridge is well cooked and I will just transfer this into a bowl and let it cool down before adding the rest of the ingredients. And I want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always watching my videos, leaving your precious comments. I do appreciate you. Thank you so much for the love and the support. God bless you all. To my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to the channel and I welcome you all with love. So now I'll go ahead and mix everything until they are all well combined. So please stay tuned. Okay guys, at this point after mixing everything, I went ahead to sieve it and also added some vanilla essence, some salt and then mix them together. Just look how creamy this is, very creamy. So I went ahead to serve them into my cups. Are you still watching up to this time? If you are, thank you so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video to reach more people, and you can also follow me on all social media networks as Getty Cooks. So I'll just insert my stick and freeze this for overnight. Hey lovelies, this is the final outcome of our wheat flour ice cream. Just look how beautiful this turned out to be, delicious and yummy as well. I hope you give this a try and you will love it when you make this at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video interesting, give this video a thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.